The breathtaking Ferrari 812 Superfast stands as one of the most powerful and emotional grand touring supercars ever created by Ferrari. Combining naturally aspirated V12 performance, aggressive aerodynamics, and timeless Italian design, the 812 Superfast represents the pure essence of Ferrari engineering. The 2026 version continues this legacy by refining performance, technology, and luxury while preserving the raw driving excitement that defines the 812 name. At first glance, the Ferrari 812 Superfast commands attention with its dramatic proportions and sculpted bodywork. The long hood, low roofline, and wide stance immediately communicate power and speed. Every curve and aerodynamic detail is designed not only for beauty but also for performance and airflow management. The front fascia features aggressive air intakes integrated seamlessly into the sculpted bumper. Slim LED headlights create a sharp and intimidating expression, while aerodynamic channels direct airflow efficiently around the vehicle. The hood design is especially dramatic, featuring muscular contours that emphasize the massive V12 engine hidden underneath. Ferrari engineers carefully shaped every surface to improve cooling, stability, and aerodynamic efficiency at high speeds. From the side profile, the 812 Superfast looks elegant yet incredibly aggressive. The sweeping roofline flows smoothly into the rear bodywork, creating classic grand touring proportions inspired by Ferrari's legendary front-engine supercars. Large alloy wheels and wide performance tires reinforce the car's athletic stance. The sculpted side surfaces create dramatic reflections that highlight the Italian craftsmanship and aerodynamic precision behind the design. At the rear, the Ferrari 812 Superfast becomes even more aggressive. Quad circular taillights reference classic Ferrari styling, while a large diffuser and integrated aerodynamic elements improve high-speed stability. The quad exhaust outlets immediately hint at the incredible sound experience produced by the naturally aspirated V12 engine. Active aerodynamic systems adjust automatically depending on driving conditions, maximizing downforce and efficiency. Step inside the cabin, and the Ferrari 812 Superfast delivers an interior focused entirely on performance and luxury. Premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents create a cockpit that feels both exotic and driver-oriented. The seats are deeply supportive and designed to keep the driver connected to the car during high-speed driving while remaining comfortable enough for long-distance touring. The dashboard wraps around the driver, creating a cockpit-like atmosphere inspired by motorsport design. A fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, navigation, performance data, and driving information in a highly customizable layout. The steering wheel integrates Ferrari's signature driving controls, allowing quick access to driving modes, indicators, and performance systems without removing hands from the wheel. A passenger display integrated into the dashboard allows the passenger to view speed, engine performance, and navigation information, creating a more interactive experience inside the cabin. Despite its extreme performance capabilities, the 812 Superfast remains surprisingly comfortable for long journeys. Ferrari designed the car to function as both a high-speed supercar and a luxurious grand tourer. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari 812 Superfast delivers one of the most thrilling engines in the automotive world, a naturally aspirated V12 engineered to produce breathtaking performance and emotional sound. The engine revs incredibly high and responds instantly to throttle inputs, creating an exhilarating driving experience unlike turbocharged alternatives. Acceleration feels violent and relentless, pushing the car forward with extraordinary force. The sound of the V12 is one of the defining characteristics of the 812 Superfast. At lower speeds, the engine produces a deep and refined tone, but as the revs climb, the sound transforms into a screaming symphony that defines Ferrari performance. The transmission system shifts with incredible speed and precision, keeping the engine within its optimal power range while delivering seamless acceleration. Driving the Ferrari 812 Superfast feels intense and highly engaging. Despite its immense power, the car remains remarkably balanced thanks to advanced chassis engineering and sophisticated electronic systems. Steering is incredibly sharp and communicative, providing detailed feedback from the road surface. Every corner feels precise and controlled, allowing the driver to feel fully connected to the car. Rear-wheel steering technology improves agility at lower speeds while enhancing stability during high-speed driving. This system helps the large Grand Tourer feel surprisingly nimble and responsive through corners. The adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts damping to balance comfort with high-performance handling. In comfort mode, the 812 Superfast remains refined enough for long-distance cruising, while sportier settings transform it into a track-focused machine. Braking performance is equally impressive, with carbon ceramic brakes delivering enormous stopping power and excellent heat resistance during aggressive driving. Different driving modes allow drivers to customize throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feel, traction control, and exhaust character. The famous Ferrari Manettino switch allows instant changes between comfort-focused and race-inspired settings. Safety and driver assistance technologies are integrated carefully to support performance without reducing the emotional driving experience. Advanced traction and stability systems help maximize grip while still allowing experienced drivers to explore the car's immense capabilities. What truly sets the Ferrari 812 Superfast apart is its emotional character. In an era increasingly dominated by hybrid systems and turbocharging, the naturally aspirated V12 creates a raw and unforgettable driving experience built around sound, response, and passion. The 2026 Ferrari 812 Superfast represents the ultimate expression of Ferrari's front-engine V12 philosophy, combining breathtaking speed, timeless design, and thrilling emotion into one extraordinary machine. For drivers seeking a supercar that delivers beauty, performance, luxury, and one of the greatest engines ever created, the Ferrari 812 Superfast remains one of the most iconic and unforgettable Grand Touring supercars in the world.